I've been testing both Pipedrive and GoHighLevel side by side, and while they both help you manage your sales process, they are built for completely different types of businesses. Choosing the wrong one usually doesn't feel wrong on day one. It shows up months later as needing multiple subscriptions, missing automation features, or realizing you're paying for a platform that doesn't match how you actually sell. So instead of just listing out features, let's break this down by what you are actually trying to achieve. So first, the core difference, and this decides most of the choice. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Pipedrive is built to be a clean, sales-driven CRM designed for small to mid-sized teams. GoHighLevel is built to be a full-on platform with automation, funnels, and white label features for agencies. Neither is necessarily better, they are just optimized for different jobs, and using the wrong one creates friction that you don't see until later. So again, Pipedrive is built for sales pipeline management, so it assumes your main focus is tracking deals and closing sales efficiently. Everything in the platform is designed around visual pipeline management, follow-up automation, and keeping your sales team organized without complexity. Where Pipedrive excels is in clean and intuitive pipeline views for managing deals, email automation, and tracking built into the CRM, customizable pipelines with reminders and workflow automation, easy onboarding and minimal setup that's perfect for small teams, and offering affordable per-user pricing that scales as your team grows. That means you don't need complex software to manage your sales process. Pipedrive is focused, and that is an advantage if closing deals is the goal. Now, the trade-offs of using Pipedrive is it doesn't include marketing automation like email campaigns or SMS sequences, no built-in funnel builder or landing page creator. It's not designed for agencies and businesses that need to manage multiple clients and their marketing, and you will need separate tools for appointment booking, membership sites, and advanced marketing. The best fit for Pipedrive is if your goal is to manage your sales team and track every deal with a lightweight, easy-to-use CRM. Pipedrive removes a lot of unnecessary complexity. Now, I'll leave links to both Pipedrive and GoHighLevel down in the description, and instead of the usual 14-day free trial, you can actually get extended 30-day free trials to both platforms through the links down in the description. Now next we have GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is built as a full suite platform for marketers and agencies. It treats your entire customer journey as one connected system. So it's designed for multi-channel automation with email, SMS, calls, and voicemail drops, as well as funnels, landing pages, websites, and membership site builders. It also offers appointment scheduling, calendar integration, call tracking, and reputation management with review collection. Where GoHighLevel excels is in replacing 10 to 15 different software subscriptions with one platform. You also get white label capabilities so agencies can rebrand the platform as their own. You get unlimited contacts and users with flat rate pricing that doesn't scale with your list size, and you get a full-featured mobile app to communicate with all leads on all devices. GoHighLevel is trusted by over 100,000 sales teams and processes 1.37 billion monthly messages and 194 million monthly leads. So GoHighLevel gives you everything from lead capture to deal closing, which matters when you want to run your entire business or agency from one dashboard. The trade-offs though of using GoHighLevel: first, it has a much steeper learning curve because there are so many features. The interface can feel overwhelming if you just need simple CRM functions. It's more expensive than Pipedrive at $97 per month versus Pipedrive starting at €14 per user per month, and you need time to set it up. But once you do set it up, it replaces a whole tech stack. The best fit for GoHighLevel is if you are an agency managing multiple clients, or you need an all-in-one platform that covers CRM, automation, funnels, and even white label reselling if you'd like to do that. GoHighLevel gives you more control over your entire operation. Now, in terms of what you can actually do and their ease of use, this is where the difference becomes obvious when you actually use both platforms. Pipedrive feels lightweight and intuitive. You can set it up in minutes, and salespeople love the clear visual pipelines. It doesn't try to be everything, but what it does, deal tracking and sales workflows, it does very well. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, feels like an all-in-one powerhouse. It has incredible flexibility and depth, but it also comes with a steeper learning curve. It's definitely not something that you master overnight. If your main action is tracking deals and moving them through your pipeline, then Pipedrive will be better for you. If your main action is running campaigns, building funnels, and managing multiple clients, then GoHighLevel is going to be the better fit. Then in terms of pricing and what you're actually paying for, both platforms have very different pricing structures. Pipedrive has 4 main plans. They have Lite at 14 euros per seat per month billed annually, or 24 euros per month with monthly billing. This gives you lead, calendar and pipeline management, AI-powered report creation, and 500 plus integrations. Then they have Growth at 39 euros per seat per month billed annually, or 49 euros billed monthly. And this adds full email sync with tracking, automations and nurturing sequences, as well as a meeting scheduler. Then Premium at 59 euros per seat per month billed annually, or 79 euros monthly. This is the most popular plan on Pipedrive, and it includes lead generation and routing, custom scoring, AI-powered multi-email tools, and contracts and e-signatures. And then they have Ultimate at 79 euros per seat per month billed annually, or 99 euros monthly. This gives you fortified account security with phone and email data enrichment and extended phone support. So for a team of 5 people on the premium plan, you're paying around 295 euros per month. GoHighLevel just has 2 simple plans, and you don't pay per user. The starter plan at $97 per month gives you all the tools to capture more leads, nurture and close leads into customers, a full online booking system, pipelines, a social calendar, website builder, unlimited contacts and users, and you can set up to 3 sub-accounts. Now, one sub-account is basically one business that you manage inside of GoHighLevel. The unlimited plan at $297 per month gives you everything in the starter plan, plus API access to integrate with anything. You also get unlimited sub-accounts, which is basically as many client accounts as you need for one price. And you can also add your own custom branding to the desktop app. So if you're a solo business owner, GoHighLevel costs $97 per month versus Pipedrive at 14 euros per month for one user. But here's the key. GoHighLevel includes email marketing, SMS, funnels, scheduling, websites, and membership sites. With Pipedrive, you need to add Calendly at $10 per month, MailChimp starting at $13 per month, ClickFunnels at $97 per month, and other tools, so your real cost with Pipedrive could be more than $200 or $300 per month when you add everything up. GoHighLevel often feels more expensive upfront, but it's actually going to be cheaper when you count the tools it replaces. Pipedrive tends to make more sense when you only need CRM and nothing else. Then in terms of integrations, both platforms work with third-party tools when used correctly. The difference is philosophy. Pipedrive integrates with over 500 apps and tools to enrich your CRM. GoHighLevel also has 500 plus integrations, but keeps most features native, so you don't need as many external tools. Then the decision rule, and this is the part that matters most. If you just need a clean sales CRM to close deals faster, choose Pipedrive. But if you need marketing automation, funnels, and want to replace your entire tech stack, then choose GoHighLevel. So here's when to choose Pipedrive. If your main focus is sales pipeline management and deal tracking. If you have a small to mid-sized sales team that needs a simple visual CRM. If you already have marketing tools and just need the CRM piece. If you want fast onboarding and minimal setup. And if you are a B2B company or a sales-driven business that doesn't need complex marketing funnels, that's when to choose Pipedrive. Then here's when to choose GoHighLevel. If you are running an agency and need to manage multiple clients with sub-accounts, if you want to replace Calendly, ClickFunnels, MailChimp and your CRM with just one tool, if you need landing pages, websites, funnel builders and membership sites built in, if SMS marketing, voicemail drops and multi-channel automation are core to your business, and if you want to white label a platform and resell it to your clients as your own software for additional recurring revenue, then you should also pick GoHighLevel. So now you know whether you need Pipedrive or GoHighLevel. Again, links to both of these tools will be down in the description, where you can claim extended 30-day free trials to both platforms. If this video helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.